We are Team Mean and Green from the University of Massachusetts Amherst. We spent a semester working with the Franklin Permaculture Garden organization, exploring what they do, the impact that their work has on the environment, and the benefits that are coupled with permaculture practices. With the Permaculture Garden being located in the center of the Umass campus, we were able to experience firsthand the inner workings of this garden.
Permaculture is a set of design principles used to create resilient systems that mimic the natural world. So there's a bunch of principles such as produce no waste, observe and interact, use renewable energy sources, value diversity, that can be used to design garden systems like this or community structures or buildings. It's really scalable and can be used to design anything. So in the UMass Permaculture Gardens, we aim to help students and community members create meaningful relationships with their food. We grow a lot of perennial plantings that are more permaculture-y, and we also grow a lot of annual vegetables which are really recognizable. So people can be like, oh, that's a kale plant, or oh, that's garlic, and kind of have an understanding of where their food is coming from. So the next time they eat in a dining hall, they'll be like, they'll think about where their food is coming from and why that's important.
During our time volunteering, we learned various sustainable gardening techniques. These included no-till methods of planting, what natural fertilizers to use, and how to properly maintain a healthy garden. We were able to inoculate peas and plant the peas along with bok choy, radishes, tomatoes, and eggplants. The garden collaborates with UMass Dining by supplying the produce that is grown directly next to the dining halls. On average, food travels a distance of 1,500 miles to reach your plate. This is the equivalent of traveling from Massachusetts to Oklahoma. Due to the fact that the Franklin Permaculture Garden is located on the UMass campus, this allows fresh produce to be grown locally, which eliminates the distance that food must travel to reach the members of the community. This is known as food miles. Emissions from the transportation of food has increased the Earth's temperature at a rate of 0.14 degrees Fahrenheit per decade. This civic engagement experience allowed us to give back to our community while discovering new ways to incorporate sustainability into everyday life. Civic engagement is individual and collective actions designed to identify and address issues of public concern. In this case, we address the issues of our unsustainable food system. As a group, we learned the importance and practicality of growing produce in a sustainable way. The hands-on gardening experience that our group was able to participate in allowed us to learn the practical skills of planting and nurturing vegetables. This rewarding experience provided us with new knowledge about sustainable local gardens, which we can incorporate into our communities in the future.